Hey everybody, it's Mozzy. Thank you again for watching my videos. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed the show. But today, I have something a little special, a little install for my 4Runner. And what we're gonna do? Well, we're gonna install something that should have came from factory. Myself and everybody else, whoever owns this vehicle, thinks the same thing. And what do I have? A driver's side grab handle. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. All right, so I got this from Amazon. I ordered it. I looked at some other options. The other option was a little more expensive, and one of the bolts looked a little flimsy, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, got this one. I'm going to compare this in a minute to the actual A-pillar plastic. Probably going to be the color might be a little off, but we'll see. Looks like it's already been damaged here. What the hell? Or maybe just how it comes. Let's see here. All right. That feels good. So it's like that. Nice. All right. What do we have here? Some pair of white gloves. White gloves. Installation guide. We don't need that. Nice little pop tool. This covers for this once we're done. Oh, comes with some extra bolts. I like this. All right. Let's see which one it is. All right. Let's have some fun now. All right. So here we are on the driver's side A-pillar. I'm gonna try to get the best angle for you guys. Let's use the tools that came with it. So I'm gonna expose the 10 millimeter bolt, which is right behind here. So what you do is you come underneath, around, and you pop it out. 10 millimeter bolt. You can use a ratchet wrench, or we can use the tool that came with the box here. Okay, the tool came with the box. It says 10 on it. So use that. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. All right, let's remove this. All right, removed. And the bolt here, just grab it slowly, just pop it out. In the back is where the bolt is, and this is the little clip that holds onto it. That's where we're going to attach another bolt right over here. So let's see. Comes with 2 bags, so I don't know which one's which. So maybe one's a spare. We'll find that out in a little bit. Let's see this. Okay, I just want to make sure that this bolt fits in here pretty good. Shows the same threads. I'll mess up the threads over here. Yep, threads are good. We have this and that, and this little clip. So this little clip is going to go right inside here. And this little, I don't see on the camera, but this little raised end right here is going to go on the inside just like that. So then this attachment can go inside and clamp it. All right, let's see. Now, I know I'm sorry guys about the angle, but I'm going to try to do it as best I can here. Oh, there it goes. Ooh, scratch up the paint a little bit, I guess. Yep, it will. All right. I wonder, can I use this here? Oh, look at that. Look at that. It'll fit. Sweet. All right. There we go. All right. And that's it. The color is a little off. You can tell. It's a little off, but not too bad. You know, it's not too bad. All right, so let's put that there. Everything lines up. Let's put this in. The 2 bolts that came in the kit. The shorter one is, of course, for the what we just did. Put that in there. I'm gonna have to just throw this in the back of my car. This is a nice little handy tool. This thing here. All right. Now, let's get the covers. Go here. And this go here. Maybe the other way. Yep, the other way. There you go. It's real sturdy. Not bad. All right, everybody. All done. Took about 5 minutes from Amazon. Fit and finish. There's a little gap over here. Up here looks good. Color is just a little more lighter than the other one, but it's all done. All right. Take care. Till next time.